Hello guys and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bob's Saturday Jam at kami po ang Train. Ayan. Sabi nila po, naman? Sabi naman, Lenny Kravitz tayo. Kravitz? Ayan. Again. Ayan. Hopefully mabigyan namin ng katarungan itong kanta dito. Pag sa mga musikero, kaya nila yan eh. Pag yung sa kanta lang, medyo sablay, Brad. Well, anyway, sige. We will do our best. I've been searching for you. So I never had an earnings quite like this before. Now that you know, walking right through my door. All of my life, where have you been? Wonder if I ever see you again. That's the day comes, I know we could win. I know if I'll never see you again. Sacred gifts in heaven, for better or worse, whenever. And never somebody breaks you down. Cry. Never. All of my life, where have you been? I wonder if I'll ever see you again. And if that's the day comes, I know we could win. I wonder never see you again.
Every time I close my eyes, know that you will get up on your throne. A lonely queen without a king, my love for you,
my love forever. That's the day comes, I know we could win. I wonder if I'll ever see you again. 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 Salamat po, Ray.